Welcome to MATTERLINQ, the all-in-one solution for revolutionizing procurement and vendor management. MATTERLINQ streamlines the RFP process, letting you effortlessly create requests, invite vendors to bid, and assess their reliability and compliance with AI-driven insights, ensuring you onboard the best suppliers. During project execution, you gain full control over internal and external budgets with a complete audit trail. All documents and project files are centralized in the data room for easy collaboration and tracking. To enhance transparency, vendors log work hours for your approval, while automated invoice checks ensure compliance with your company's billing guidelines. With MATTERLINQ, reviewing invoices is simple, whether requesting discounts or disputing items. Plus, Copilot integration lets you query contracts, gain insights, and track vendor performance with ease. MATTERLINQ helps you reduce costs by up to 15% while fully digitalizing your data, enabling your business to evolve with efficiency and transparency.